Hello, I'm Derek from Acterys here. If you watched my last video, you knew that I was talking a little bit about the traditional Power BI architecture versus what Acterys brings to the table. And to continue along with the point that, from a change management lens, you're really not needing to learn a whole new tool. I do like to bring up this example. And so this is a planning analysis application that we built for a customer, allows them to make adjustments to quantities and price and see those impacts on revenue. However, if I jump into edit, those of you who have built Power BI reports in the past will be very familiar with this sidebar. You can see your standard Power BI visuals, and then what we're introducing here are these teal colored visuals at the bottom. Now, these are the Acterys writeback-enabled visuals. They're still, downloadable and vetted through the Microsoft AppSource, right? You get them directly from the marketplace. You see 10 visuals here. What I like to call out is if you already know how to use the standard Power BI matrix visual, right? Effectively just a pivot table, then your team really is already trained on using the Acterys Matrix. And I can kind of show that here by clicking into this and bringing up, the ability to attach different data sources, right? Being able to turn commentary on and off. But I really think the point that I'm driving home here is, you're not learning a whole new tool. You get to continue working in an environment that your team is already working in. And really what we're doing is just supercharging your existing Power BI infrastructure and keeping all of your end users consuming reports, but now able to take action, add comments, adjust numbers, and create new versions of data. We're going to be doing a bit of a deeper dive into the matrix visual that I show here, as well as some of our other write-back-enabled visuals. So follow along as we continue to kind of take a deeper dive into use cases with Acterys.